Welcome to the channel. Today, we're regrowing onions from simple kitchen scraps. A method anyone in the US, UK, or Canada can easily try at home. Here, I'm taking a fresh onion and cutting it open, and inside you can already see several small green shoots forming. These tiny sprouts are the beginnings of new onion plants. I carefully separate each shoot and remove the layers around them, because each one of these little pieces has the potential to grow into a full onion. It's easy, quick, and requires no special tools. Now I prepare them for planting by placing every shoot gently into soil with the roots facing downward. You can plant them in a pot, a container, or directly in your garden. Then I water them lightly. Onions don't need too much water, just enough to keep the soil a bit moist. If you live in a colder region, like parts of Canada or the UK, you can keep the pot indoors near a sunny window. And now the fun part begins, watching them grow. Onions grow surprisingly fast, and you'll start seeing changes within just a few days. And here we are, 10 days later. Look at this transformation. Each tiny shoot has turned into a healthy, bright green onion plant. The leaves look fresh and full of life. You can use these green leaves for cooking, and if you allow the plants to keep growing, they'll eventually form full onions again. It's a great way to reduce kitchen waste, save money, and grow something fresh right at home. Whether you're in the USA, the UK, or Canada, thank you for watching. If you enjoyed this regrowing experiment, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share. See you in the next video.